Okay, I show the time to be 9 o'clock Central Daylight Time. Public notice, special call to City Council meeting Monday, June the 10th, 2013, Jasper City Hall, 465 South Main Street. Let the record show that all members of the Jasper City Council are here. Bernie, would you offer us a prayer today?
Heavenly Father, we are here together today in your name to be just and fair, and everything that comes out of this meeting, we hope and pray that it benefits the city of Jasper and help us to work together as one. And we ask this in your name.
Okay, we have executive session pursuant to Chapter 551, Texas Government Code, Sections 551.074, discuss personnel matters within the Jasper Police Department, and Section 551.071, possible consultation with City Attorney regarding pending and/or potential litigations. Let it show that we're going into executive session at this time, 9:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time. We need the city's attorney in the meeting with us. We need Lieutenant Mike Poindexter and also Captain Gerald Hall.